The day my school taco went loco by Tiffany Donovan. It was taco day at school. Oh, yay! My favorite lunch, the greatest day. I grabbed my tray, I did a cheer, but little did I know, trouble was near. My taco sat quiet, tidy, and neat, with crunchy shell and cheesy meat. It looked so calm, just lying there. But tacos with secrets, you should beware. Crack went the shell, wiggle went the beef, the lettuce escaped like a sneaky thief. My taco shook and started to shout, I won't be eating, I'm dancing it out. It hopped off my tray with a salsa slide, did a spin and a flip. Oh my gosh, it tried. The lunchroom froze, then plates went clack. My taco moonwalked straight out the back. It jumped on the table, shook with flair, sprinkled cheese confetti everywhere. Kids laughed so hard they snorted juice. The principal yelled, Is that food loose? The taco yelled, Lunch is boring. I'm here to party. Let's get moving. It spun past pizza, zoomed by peas, and high five tots and broccoli trees. Milk cart and screamed, This is not cool. The taco slid across the lunchroom floor. He leapt on a cart, struck a pose, and sprayed hot sauce on Coach's clothes. Stop that taco, the teachers cried, but the taco laughed and did the taco slide. He bounced off trays and shouted, Taco! Then cannonballed into a big cup of jello. Suddenly, splat! The taco fell, the shell went soft, the beans rebelled. I partied too hard, the taco groaned. My crunch is gone, the taco moaned. I stepped up close and said, Hey, dude, maybe calm down. You're still my food. The taco sighed and gave a grin. You're right, kid. Let's call this a win. The taco whispered, One last thing. Promise you'll laugh and always sing. But knowing fun has gone too far, or you'll end up soggy where the jellos are. The bell rang loud. Ding dong ding. The taco froze, then sadly sang. He hopped back on my tray once more, much calmer than he was before. I took a bite. Crunch. Oh wow. Best taco ever, hands down, no doubt. The taco winked before the chew. Thanks for the dance and lunchtime too. Now every Taco Tuesday I stare, just in case my lunch gets flair. I tap my tray and softly say, please don't go loco, okay? So if your lunch wiggles, jumps, or yells, or salsa slides with wild cartel, don't panic, kid. Just ride the show. Your school day taco might go loco. The end.